I have a jar, I have a hard-boiled egg, and I have Taco Bell fire sauce. What's gonna happen when I soak this in this for an entire week? Nobody knows. Today we're about to find out. Egg in the jar. Next up, Taco Bell fire sauce. Mmm. Oh. Live moss. Seal up our little eggie and we'll check back in next week. All right, Yolk fam, it's been a whole week on this Taco Bell fire sauce and I'm gonna dive right into it. Ooh, a little air bubble. Mmm, smells Taco Belly. I like. Let's get it out of his little pool. Looks like a Taco Bell egg. A little spongy, not bad. Boop. Uh-oh. Little shrinkage action going on here. This thing looks kind of weird. Smells like shitty fast food taco sauce. Yeah, spot on. Yolk's up. It got worse as I chewed it. Really not bad. It tastes like Taco Bell sauce. Tastes like taco sauce. But then you start getting a little bit of that fakeness. There's a lot of fake stuff going on in this sauce. As you could probably look at the packet and see, there's like 20 or 30 ingredients on there, I'm guessing. So that doesn't help the egg at all. Not good, not bad. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna give it a 4.7. Yeah, there's your score. I still love you, Taco Bell. Live Moss. And thank you guys. Bye.